Hi, welcome back. This video I will show you how to edit dark greenery filter in Lightroom Mobile. Here is example photos before and after using this filter. So, let's start editing. First go to the light. Exposure -0.30 EV. Contrast -37. Highlights -16. Shadows -8. Whites -17. And blacks -5. Go to curve. Follow this step. And done. Next go to color. Temp -6. Tint 4. Vibrance -8. And saturation -4. Next go to color mix. First go to red color hue 14. Saturation -15. And luminance 13. Next go to orange. Hue 13. Saturation 9. And luminance 24. Next go to yellow. Hue 14. Saturation -20. And luminance 20. Next go to green hue 15. Saturation -67. And luminance -59. Next go to aqua. Hue 3. Saturation -19. And luminance -15. Next go to blue. Hue -20. Saturation -27. And luminance -17. Next go to purple. Hue -1. Next go to magenta. Hue 10. And done. Next go to effect. Texture 10. Clarity 10. Dehaze 8. And vignette -10. Next go to detail. Sharpening 20. Noise reduction 22 and finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photos. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in next video.